Hi, welcome to English 305-306 Developmental Writing at Del Mar College. My name is Sarah Linz and I'll be your instructor. I'm glad you're here. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I want to explain how to be successful in an online format, and I briefly want to go over how the class works. And you also get to meet my cat, Tessie. She's great at bombing online videos and Zoom classes. So first, a little bit about me. Aside from being a cat lover, I'm also a book lover, and I love writing. I have a master's degree in English, and I have a master's in fine arts degree in creative writing. I'm also a working writer. I publish essays and stories based on my real life. And because I'm a writer, that gives me a really great perspective about how to help other people learn to write. I know exactly what it's like to struggle with filling up a blank page, or trying to sort out ideas in an organized manner, or working with a first draft that I don't like because it's frankly not that good, and I need to figure out how to revise it to make it better. I also have a lot of experience teaching college composition. I taught my first developmental composition college class in 2005, and so I love helping people become better writers. So, taking a class in an online format can be challenging. We're missing a lot of the face-to-face interaction, but here are some things that you can do to be successful in an online course. You need to be proactive at being a self-guided learner. And what do I mean about being a self-guided learner? Well, that simply means that as you work through the assignments, you ask yourself, am I understanding this? Am I getting this? Or am I confused? Am I struggling? What am I confused by? What am I struggling with? And then reach out to me with your questions. Drop in during my Zoom office hours. Ask me during our live Zoom hour. Send me an email. Give me a phone call. It's literally my job to help you. So please do not struggle alone if you are frustrated and not getting the coursework. Have self-discipline and time management skills. Most of this class can be done on your own time to fit into your own schedule, which is fantastic. But it also means that it's easy to let due dates slip by. So check into our Canvas site regularly. You have assignments or something to do in Canvas Monday through Thursday. So make sure that you plan your time accordingly to make sure the work gets done. Next, you need to take the readings seriously. Because I'm not going to be doing long in-class lectures, a lot of the material for the course you're going to be getting through the textbook called Exploring Writing. Okay? It will help you a lot to understand the writing work that I'm asking you to do, and you will be completing a lot of readings in this. I also use a lot of questions from the book for your weekly quizzes. Rather than the final essay, you will write an essay about this book called Educated. It is a memoir, so it's a true story, and I chose it because it's just such a fascinating and interesting book. So, also, you need to be very careful to read everything in the modules and the directions for the writing assignments carefully. A lot of students will struggle with an assignment because they miss a key part of it just because they didn't read the directions carefully. Since I'm not there in person telling you about the assignments, you're reading about them on your own. You need to be very careful that you're taking the time to read all of the material in the modules. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about how this class works, and you'll read more about this in the syllabus, but here's the basics. Every Monday there's going to be a quiz. It'll mostly be on the readings. Occasionally there might be a video that I ask questions about as well. One of the other things that I truly believe is that you get better at writing by practicing writing a lot. So you'll get lots of opportunities. Every Tuesday you will do a journal entry. These journal entries will often be questions, responses based on the reading in Educated. So it's very important that you keep up with that reading. Then every Thursday, you'll turn in a weekly paragraph assignment. And I will grade those and make a voice recording through Canvas, giving you feedback on that. And then twice during the semester, once at midterm and once at finals, I'll ask you to turn in a packet of all your revised essays. And then finally, instead of a final exam for this class, you'll write a 3-page review for Educated. I'm really looking forward to the work that we do together this semester. And please reach out to me if you have any questions. Like you, I have a busy schedule. You saw my family. I have a 3-year-old in the background. But it's going to be a great semester, even as we're working from home. So have a great day.